Abdullah dough kneader 3.5 kg being checked for Daraz order on 18th December 2023. This machine comes with a plastic blade, a metal blade, measuring flask and warranty booklet. The machine is okay from all the sides. This is the back side. We'll show you from the bottom also. There are no damages, and we'll now start the machine. The machine has started. The noise level is not high. This is original Abdullah dough maker. आटा गूंदने वाली मशीन, बेस्ट आटा गूंदने वाली machine in Pakistan. You can order these machines from us, Orion Engineering Company. When the timer comes to the off position, the machine will automatically stop. There you go, the machine has automatically stopped, and we'll now pack it in its original carton for onward delivery to Daraz.